किस टाइप के करें? Teabag in to give it its color. Salt. And now we're gonna just put it to boil for 15 minutes. So we've just put our mixture on full flame. We're just waiting for it to boil and then we're gonna close the pressure cooker. The chanas were soaking all night. Tasty stick. Cinnamon stick. We just put in black cardamom and a cinnamon stick. So for the chana, we turned it off after half an hour and we haven't opened it yet. We're letting the steam escape naturally, so it's taking its own time. So now we're opening the chanas. The steam left by itself. We don't use any water or anything. Here's our chana. So we're just gonna remove the tea bag and the other spices out. Cinnamon stick, etc. This is for our chana?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just adding onions into our oil. And this is for our chana. Some more preparation. I forgot to get it on film, but we just added some Zeera powder in here as well. We're just adding ginger and garlic into our piyaz, which we're preparing for our chana. So that's ginger and garlic, and some green chilli. So our piyaz are looking like this now. So we're gonna add some tinned tomatoes into this. So we're using these tomatoes because of the color. The color is very, very nice afterwards. Adding some salt, some chili powder, black pepper, red chili powder, turmeric. Now we're just adding the chanas into our masala. Some Zeera powder. That one. Adding some garam masala as well. Now we're putting it back in its pani. Let's check if it's ready. Let's check the salt and all the flavors. And I get to be the judge. Yummy!
This is also the scoop.
This is Kasuri Methi. So we just closed it again just for a minute so that the ghee and the water can separate. This will be very, very quick. This is what the chana should look like when it's done. So nice, and it smells great. Mixing some green chilies and coriander. Gonna be eating them with chana and some aloo. How yummy does that look?